Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing another love bite for you. Let's see what wants to show through for you today, Aquarius. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Aquarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, so Aquarius, High Priestess in reverse, center of my spread. So, all right. So Aquarius, somebody wants clarity. Somebody wants to know the truth. They want to cut through all the crap and they're looking for honesty, truth, integrity, and just clarity about where this connection is going. I think they're waiting for a message. Waiting for a message for a very long time, maybe checking their social media or WhatsApp or messages or something like that, because till now I don't think any communication has happened. They do want to open up, or they do want to talk. They want to end the fight. They're feeling quite bad that this connection hasn't kind of there's a lack of wish fulfillment here, but somebody is wanting now to heal what was broken in this connection, recognizing that whatever happened was not right. Okay, wanting to speak their truth maybe. So let's see what I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards, then we'll clarify all these cards for you, Aquarius. First, let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. So Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aquarius and their person. And Aquarius, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person spirit, thank you. And let's take a couple more from here. Aquarius and their person. All right, good to go, Aquarius. Let's start your reading. The first card I have here says, I know that I shouldn't compare others to you, but I just can't help it. You're a tough act to follow, and absolutely no one measures up. No matter what's happened between us, you're still the one. The love I have for you is a deep reflection of the love I have for myself. I found all the fragmented, broken pieces of myself when I met you. You mirrored my wounds so that I can look deep inside of myself and heal from within. The connection can feel out of balance when I try and reassure or overgive to you. I realize that I have to give to myself, and then that you will then master self-love. I know you feel the same way. If you didn't, why would you keep in touch and get triggered when I say next lifetime? I'm your not so secret admirer. I know that you know that I'm always checking up on you. I can't bear the thought of you being with someone else. I get so jealous. I just want you to be mine. I'm feeling really insecure at this time. I feel like a little child compared to you. You make me feel weak at the knees. I feel overwhelmed and powerless to the all-consuming love I have for you. I'm afraid of losing you. Deep in my heart, I know that you're the one for me. I promise my soul will be by your side for all eternity. Do you think about me? I want to hold you and never let go. Okay, Aquarius, these were your messages. If they're resonating with your storyline, let's start clarifying these cards. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you, Aquarius. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius, please. Blessing, guidance, higher education. Okay, this could be there could be a lesson in this. I don't know, whatever this connection is for you, Aquarius. This could be in your life. The soulmate could be in your life to trigger something in you. Like this card did say, I learned to love myself, and maybe you'll learn to love yourself as well. Maybe this is some kind of a lesson that you have to both teach each other. So each of you will have a different storyline. I can't speak on this, but you would know. Think about it. Think, what is this person? Why is this person in your life? Why did they come? What have they taught you? And yes, let me know as well if you can. All right. So let's start with the story here. Page of Wands, Spirit. Page of Wands and the Three of Wands. Maybe there's been a bit of a fight here, Aquarius. Maybe there's been some harsh words spoken. Somebody's getting very impatient, very, very impatient, very irritated also. They don't have the courage to maybe be the first ones to message you. Maybe there's been a lack of commitment or lack of structure in this connection. They are waiting to hear from you. They're being very patient. They haven't given up. They are, but they're not being the first ones to come forward either. They are holding back. See, Page of Wands again in reverse. So this person is not going to be the first one to, come forward. They are in waiting mode. Maybe they're waiting for, impatiently, maybe waiting for you to say something. Three of Wands. What is this person waiting for, Spirit? Three of Wands. They're wondering when things will come back into a flow between the two of you. Right now, things may be very stuck. They're feeling very burdened, feeling very overwhelmed, just going back and forth about all the reasons that this connection has kind of come to a little bit of a stagnancy. They are being very patient, waiting. In their heart, I think they know that this chapter is still open. Even though there is stagnancy here, Aquarius, they don't want this cycle to shut down between the two of you. There's a strong magnetic pull that is felt, and that keeps this person up all night, wondering, thinking, wishing, hoping for a reunion with you, or vice versa. It could be you thinking like that about your person, right? So somebody doesn't want this chapter to end. They don't want this to end at all, even though they're feeling nothing is moving, but this person can't sleep at night. They are having nightmares, literally, thinking of when will I reunite. Why? Because there's no communication between the two of you. Eight of Wands in reverse. Eight of Wands in reverse. Yes, both of you could be in hermit mode right now, trying to understand this connection, trying to think of that lesson that the universe has. Maybe this is a lesson that you're learning in self-worth, self-love, keeping your guard up, not overgiving, keeping your boundaries up. Maybe this is what you're teaching the other person, that hey, you come to me correct, or you don't come to me at all, because I'm not willing to, move any further if you're not willing to be honest with me. Yes, somebody here does want to speak their truth though. Somebody does want to speak their truth. There's been too much of delay, and they are getting impatient. They are getting impatient at this delay that's being created. Somebody does want to do something to heal this connection now. They want to come and speak the truth. They want to get over this conflict that has happened between the two of you, but they're a little afraid. Aquarius, they're a little afraid that if they do come towards you with, again, that passionate new beginning, offering you this, they could get rejected. They could get rejected because maybe they've broken promises in the past, and you may not, trust them or believe them. Again, remember, this could be vice versa, Aquarius. This could be you feeling this way about your partner, okay? Feeling that if you go towards them, you'll be rejected. But yes, somebody does want this conflict to be over now. They're kind of losing hope. The Star in reverse. They feel they went the wrong direction and they want to apologize for it. Somebody here feels they took a wrong turn in this connection. They do desperately want to come and apologize, offer a brand new start of love or something. And yes, here's the Three of Swords again in reverse, which is wonderful. This means they want to heal the broken hearts between the two of you. The Three of Swords in reverse, Three of Swords in reverse, Three of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Yes, somebody wants to now get over this overthinking, overstressing, because they feel their emotional happiness is at stake here. They don't want to worry about it anymore. They're really missing this. They know that there's some injustice has been done, maybe by their end, that they've kind of done something to mess up this connection, which could have had a beautiful, future. Somebody does want to return here, Aquarius. Somebody wants to return. They keep thinking about all the beautiful past memories, knowing that you're very, very connected. You feel like soulmates to each other. But they're worried about this injustice. What is this, Spirit? Injustice? Justice in reverse? If they've been, the injustice has been that they've been holding back from expressing their love to you. They don't want to now open up, they don't want to hold back anymore, and they do want to begin again. They want a restart of this connection. Somebody wants to come and speak their truth after maybe there's been a period of delay here. But somebody is coming back, they don't want to hold back anymore. Otherwise, they feel they're going to lose the biggest love of their life. So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. I will see you now on Friday. I'll see you on Tuesday now for your love read. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.